Hello guys, my name is Sayed and my topic is resistance. A resistance is nothing a magic, take a long while and measure the resistance. You will realize that resistance is just a normal properties of wire except for superconductors. How does it work? The resistor is a passive device and doesn't do anything actively to your circuit. It's actually a pretty boring device. If you add some voltage to it, nothing really happen. Well, maybe it's get warm. But by using resistor, you can design your circuit to have the currents and voltage that you want to have in your circuit. Now I just made a circuit and I just wanted to explain what the resistance does work and what the equipment you need to take when you find the resistance. So there is a power supply. So what does it work? This provide electricity energy into your circuit. So there is a variable current resistance. So another thing is ammeter, the current you need to put in over there because the current is flow all the circuit in all the circuit, and the test resistors and the voltage where that measuring the voltage across your test resistor. So you need to find the test resistor. What is the resistor is it? So I just made a graph is there. So as the voltage increase, so you need to know if the voltage is increased as well as the current is increased. So the gradient of the graph is 1 over r. So simply the main reason to plot this graph to find the gradient of the graph, which is 1 over r. And so in the exam to find out the gradient, divide the gradient by 1, then it you what is resistance is it. So what is another thing is resistance in wire. So there is a two wires. One is the longer the wire, greater the resistance. Thinner the wire, greater the resistance. So actually there is a this wire here is more resistance than this because as the electron here they might bumping into the atom. The longer the wire, they have more chance to bumping into the atom. So the resistance in series, there is a two you have now in series. There are only one way where the resistance are go and the current in the same direction. There is no any interruption between the current. So R1 R2 they are goes in the same way as the electricity goes first or then they goes into the second resistance. So the resistance in parallel, there is a two ways to go the current. So electron is go into two different paths and the resistance become lower and the current is gonna be divided into two portion R1 and R2. So that's all.